This is awesome.
There's Arthur being a lunatic.
See that building over there? I want to get a tour. Don't you, Robert?
Through the Bridge program at the Protestant Guild for Human Services in Waltham, Arthur, Kat, Robert, and Mark made their very first trip to the nation's capital just a few weeks ago. Laura Ekstrom, a teacher at the Learning Center, explained to us the main focus of her classroom, known as the Bridge program.
School, we have about 60 students at the moment. It's a private residential school for students with special needs. And our classroom is called the Bridge program, which is a transitional program dedicated to fostering more independence and life skills and vocational skills.
Developing the idea for the trip was just the first step. Ekstrom and others at the Protestant Guild worked with the students to raise money and prepare them for their travels.
You know, they got very involved in the process and in the planning of the trip. They wrote up their own student proposal, which they all signed and presented to the committee. They were very involved in fundraising, bottle and can drives, car wash. We had an event at a restaurant, and just basically they worked very, very hard. They budgeted their money. They were involved in the classroom, and they definitely deserved the final result.
WCAC lent the students equipment so that they were able to capture on video their experiences and the sites they visited.
We saw the Smithsonian,
World War II Monument,
the Washington Monument,
the White House,
like the Capitol building,
the Lincoln Memorial,
the State House.
Went to the Orioles game.
We went to the museums that had animals and aircraft stuff. You know.
I liked that it was a place I'd never been to before, so it was kind of like a new experience.
A lot of what they said was, you know, oh, well, we want to go back and we want to see more.
I wanted to meet the president. No. I took a picture of the White House, though.
For Waltham News Watch, I'm Allison Izzo.